Alright, very quickly guys, I'm going to show you how to field strip the Canik Rival. It's similar to a GLOCK, but it's not exactly the same. So, step one, is it clear? There is a magazine in, we're going to drop the magazine. Check the chamber, chamber is clear. Firing pin needs to come forward. So we're going to get rid of the magazine, we don't need that. I'm going to turn the firearm over. We're going to pull down on both of these slide release locks on both sides. Just a little bit of downward pressure, pull the slide back ever so slightly, and then the slide can come forward and it comes off. Put the frame to the side, turn it over, can compress the recoil spring a little bit, the recoil spring comes out, and then the valve comes out as well. That is your basic field strip. Putting it back together, exactly the opposite. So, in goes the barrel. We're going to compress the recoil spring, just lined up just a little bit, line that up, that is good to go. Then you line this little cutout with this slider on the frame, and then slide the slide back onto the frame, and it locks in place. Check the action, action's good. Does it lock back? Yes, it locks back. We're good.